friends, today we will discuss about the topic from SST, the part which I have taken, that is geography. We will discuss about the physical features of India. It means you all know that India is a very vast land, and to understand these features of India, the geographians they have divided the whole country in 6 major parts. So if we understand these 6 major parts, so definitely we will understand the physical features of India. So I am describing these 6 physical parts which you will understand well. The first is Himalayan mountain. It means the first part which is about related to mountain. We all know that in the north direction there is Himalayan mountain, the biggest mountain of the world. This is mountain range. The first physical features is Himalayan mountain. It covers a very vast area. And the second is northern plain. And after that there comes the northern plains, means the level land. It covers our area, UP, Bihar, and maximum part of middle India. So it means this northern plain is full of the rivers. The rivers which are coming from Himalayan mountain, the Ganga, the Yamuna. So when they comes in the plain area, so definitely they makes this northern plain. This means level land. The third is peninsular plateau. The third part is also from middle of India, that is peninsular plateau. It means plateau is a just little bit upland, and it covers the area from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and the nearby it touches the South Indian area. And there is the fourth is Indian desert. We all know that we are also having desert in our country, and the Rajasthan state, the smallest part of Rajasthan state covers the desert area. This desert is called Thar desert. So it is in west direction of our country. So it is Indian desert, and the name of Indian desert is Thar desert. Besides that, there is one coastal plain. It means you all know that India is peninsula. It means peninsula means 3 sides we are having water, means sea or ocean, and one side we are having land, that is of north direction. It means in the direction of east and west and south we are having sea. So we are having very vast area of coastal land. It means the vast area of coastal land. It covers the South Indian parts, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So we are also having coastal plain. And besides that, there is also the part of India which is island group of India. Island group, we are also having islands in our country. Those islands are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. This means these are the 6 major physical features of India which are very important. They are unchangeable. They will not change in any condition. If you learn them, it will be forever. Thank you very much. Thanks.